Hey guys, Gary here. Thanks for checking in. So as you may have seen in the previous video, I received a Mantis Blackbeard automatic trigger resetting system for AR. Some videos back, I also had a video on the X10 system, which is a diagnostic tool that tracks movement. And so I was like, hey fellas, what else do you got? And one of the fellows over there, Rich, said to me, hey, you should try out the Laser Academy training kit. So we got one sent over, and there's two kits, the portable and the standard, I think. Don't quote me on what they're called because I don't remember. And the bigger one of the two is the portable kit included with some other stuff. So I opted for that one. I don't normally do like unboxings, and I've already unboxed this and poked around with it a little bit. But we had a big event here and it took up a couple weeks of my time, so I didn't get to poke around with this a whole lot. So we'll talk about what's in the box, and then I'm going to use it some and see how it works. So it comes with this big old box here, and there's stuff in it, and we'll see how it works. I'm going to talk about like the box and shit. So this is the what I believe is the portable kit, and then it comes extra with some stuff, and there is a bigger tripod. That's the case for the tripod, or the bag, I guess, and some of these. It's these guys. And I believe that this is meant to hold these targets up. So it comes with a pile of targets of different types, different target types. So we'll just take the IPSC one, and then like those things fit like that. I believe that's how this is meant to be used. There's, I don't know, a bunch of targets. What do we got here? Like 5 of these stand things to put together, and well, gee, 14, 15 targets, like cardstock targets to set up and use, and they're like 8.5 by 11, and tripod for holding. There's a phone holder because it uses an app. There's this tripod, and the tripod has some type of remote control to it. I don't know what the remote control does. Up, down, on, off, and a camera. I don't know. We'll see what the instructions say. And then the portable kit has a smaller tripod in it with another phone holder, a little different style. I want to say it said it was called a Pink Lady or something. Laser cartridge that you press on the back of it, and it, like when a striker hits it or a hammer. This is the 9mm. The case shows the ability for 5.56, 40, 9, 380, and 45 ACP. It also comes with a wooden dowel, which I assume is to push the case out when you are done using it, because it doesn't have a rim on it, or when you reset the trigger it would extract. And then there is stuff in here. That is the code to unlock the app, a quick start guide, a bunch more targets. I'm going to take a stab and say there's 15 of these reduced size targets, and then a bag of sticky tack squares to probably hang these targets up with. Quick start guide doesn't really open the app. settings, instructions, follow the thing in getting started. So the kit looks like that, and obviously you can buy more cartridges if you want to do those. I'm going to use them with my Blackbeard in place of like the 5.56, and probably I'm going to try the laser cartridge, but I'm willing to wager that I'm probably going to use my SIRT pistol, just because it has a resetting trigger and is a little easier to use. And I guess now we'll get the app fired up and see what it does. Since I'm here on the phone, I might as well do it now. So I believe it looks like that. I don't even know if you can see it with all the fucking glare. We'll just go ahead and hit install and see how she does. Turn my network on. Just running off cell signal there, so we'll see what we got going on. 30%. Where is the card with the code? Here it is. Oh, now it's down to 18%.